So hello friends, welcome to Astro Spirit channel. Today the planet that I'm going to talk about is Moon. So as you all know that Moon is a luminary. So Moon gives you light, and the light of Moon is very benefic. If I talked about Sun in the last video, but Sun is considered as a natural malefic planet, but Moon is actually considered a very benefic planet. Now wherever Moon is placed in your horoscope, you need to see which house it is placed, what that house signifies. Whatever that house signifies, you are actually emotionally connected to that particular house. For example, if Moon is present in the second house, then you are emotionally connected to your family. If Moon is present in the fourth house, then you are emotionally connected to your mother. So that is how you check and analyze the placement of Moon in your horoscopes. Also, Moon represents the liquid content in your body, the blood in your body, the water content, everything is represented by Moon. So if your Moon is weak, there is a very high chance of you getting into any kind of disorders related to blood, the hemoglobin level, and etc. That is why we need to keep our Moon very strong. Also, the mental strength that you have, that you can achieve in this lifetime, the stability of your mind is represented by Moon. Your emotions, your thought process, everything Moon is going to control, and Moon is the most important planet for which you will have to analyze for all these conditions. Now talking about what Moon signifies in the relations is your mother. So your mother is represented by Moon. If Moon is strong in your chart, it is a very high possibility that you might receive a lot of support from your mother, or you will be very dear to your mother, or you might look up to your mother as the one person who you want to follow, who actually motivates you. So just like Sun represents the father, Moon represents the mother. And the same way, if we see, some people will say that Moon is sometimes benefic, sometimes malefic. Well, that is wrong. Moon is always a benefic planet. No matter which tithi you are born in, Shukla Paksha you are born in, or Krishna Paksha, it is a waxing moon or a waning moon, it is always benefic. Now, if I have to say which particular house is the Moon Karka of, Moon is the Karka of fourth house. Fourth house represents your heart. Now, heart is where your emotions come from, your home. Fourth house is your property also. So fourth house is that particular house which is connected to all the emotional capability that you have. You know, the means, if it can be easily seen from that fourth house what actually is there inside your heart, like what kind of feelings you possess. Is that uh, is those kind of feelings are good, or like negative feelings or positive feelings, can be easily seen from the fourth house. Whichever planet is placed there, it can easily show like what kind of thought process you have towards other people's and what you are deep inside. Now if Moon is strong in the chart, then fourth house is protected, because Moon is the karka of that house, and whenever a karka is strong for a particular house, that house is protected by that particular planet. So Moon being having a Moon positive in your chart is a very good thing, because then you may not get into many mental issues in life, like depression, schizophrenia, and many all that peoples go through nowadays. You might not have to struggle that much. Also, you can extract happiness from life at the highest levels, which is not possible if Moon is afflicted in your chart or weakly placed. So Moon is actually the most important planet in all of astrology. I know that there are two systems of astrology. One is the North Indian system and one is the South Indian system. The South Indian system considers Sun to be the most important, but the North Indian systems considers Moon to be the most important planet. Also, If you talk about the money matters, you might have heard from peoples that Venus and Jupiter gives the highest amount of money. No, it is actually the moon which can give you the highest amount of money if it is favorably placed. And if you are running particular period of moon which is favorable in your chart, then you will get money like a river. It will be a flow of river and you will get so high amount of money. So never ever think like moon is not that much positive. Other if we say about moon, Venus and Jupiter, many people will say Venus and Jupiter to be the most benefic, but moon is also under that category only. If I say if you have a strong moon, then it is, you know, you will not get into much kind of mental disturbances. Your relations will be okay with everyone, and you will not get into tremendous amount of pressures because you are at another level of peace. You will enjoy your life. You are having a very very good mental strength that not everyone possesses. So that's all about moon. Thank you guys for joining. Next video I will be sharing you thoughts on Mars.